everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to sign up for UberEats on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. First, make sure to download UberEats on your device. Tap on the install button and download it onto your device. After it is done, tap open the app. Now to get started, you'll need to enter your phone number. Simply tap on the box and enter your phone number in the text field. After that, you'll receive an SMS for verification. First, go ahead and enter your phone number. Tap on the next button. Wait for a code to arrive on your mobile number you just entered, which will automatically take you to a next page. Now, as soon as you do that, you'll need to enter your address. Choose your delivery spot, confirm your location by tapping on confirm, and start ordering. That is how you can sign up for UberEats. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.